Microsoft and NIIT Foundation have partnered to pave the way for a brighter future for students in technology and science. Together, we are empowering aspirations and creating opportunities, one student at a time. With rising demand in skilled professionals in AI, cybersecurity, and data analytics, Microsoft and NIIT Foundation launched a transformative skilling initiative across Telangana, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Through industry-aligned training, mentorship, and career support, this program equips students with the tools needed to succeed in today's competitive job market.
I am currently pursuing my career in BCA. The first day I was joined in the Microsoft and NIIT Foundation program world. It was a bit of excitement and a nervousness, and I gained up my all courage to learn new skills.
I can say that there was such a huge bundle of knowledge outside the world, and I was not aware of it as a BCA graduate.
This was dynamic course where directly we incorporated about practical sessions, real-time scenarios, how things works.
जो एक टैगलाइन होता है ना कि एक्सपेक्टेशंस वर्सेस रियलिटी, मतलब एक्सपेक्टेशन जैसे था उससे रियलिटी बहुत अच्छी थी.
Firstly, I was very nervous and excited as well because it was a new environment for me. And then after seeing the good support and the encouragement, then I felt like I can learn many things.
मैंने कोर्स ज्वाइन किया, बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया, सब डीप में सिखाया, टेक्निकल स्किल्स भी सिखाया और सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में भी काम किया. बहुत ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा सिखाया और लास्ट में अभी प्लेसमेंट भी दे रहे.
बेसिक से लेके ऊपर तक सब कुछ सिखाया. ऊपर से मशीन लर्निंग जो हमको सब्जेक्ट ही नहीं था, कभी मालूम ही नहीं था क्या है, वो भी सिखा दिया है वो.
With a strong focus on employability, the initiative aims to ensure students are not just trained, but also job-ready in high-demand fields, shaping the future of technology.
We had the opportunity to sign an MOU with NIIT Foundation, through which NIIT Foundation has conducted a lot of technical training activities to our final year BCom and BCA students. So we had cybersecurity and data analytics training, through which students have got a lot of technical skills, technical knowledge, hands-on experience, practical training, and which has helped in improving their chances in terms of employability factor.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एंड NIIT फाउंडेशन प्रोग्राम जो कॉलेज में इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ वो बच्चों के लिए बहुत फ्रूटफुल रहा है. बच्चे जो है वो अभी कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए हैं. उनका जो लर्निंग अप्रोच है वो टोटली पॉजिटिव हुआ है.
टुडे वी सी ऑलमोस्ट लाइक all the companies, they require AI, machine learning, etc. And we are very happy to see our students being equipped with the concepts of the latest gen. The entire market is filled with many people, wherein our students are more capable of getting a job these days because of all this help.
Our goal is to create tangible career opportunities for students and drive long-term success. Through this initiative, we aim to train over 1,300 students, achieve a 70% placement rate with salaries starting at Rs 15,000 per month, upskilling faculty with 21st century teaching methods, ensuring continuous retention tracking for sustained career growth.
NIT कोर्समध्ये ॲडमिशन घेतलं त्यापासून तिच्यामध्ये मला सांगायला खूप अभिमान वाटतो. तिच्यामध्ये खूप धीटपणा वाढलेला आहे. आणि दिव्याने हा NIT कोर्स केलेला आहे, त्यामुळे ती आता सक्षम झालेली आहे. ती आता कुठेही जॉब करू शकते.
ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ನ ಅವಳು ಕಲ್ತಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ.
Thank you so much.
I do personally want to thank NIIT Foundation.
So I would really like to thank Microsoft and NIIT Foundation.
Thank you so much NIIT Foundation and Microsoft for giving me this great opportunity.
ಈ NIIT Foundation चे खूप खूप आभार मानते.
ಈ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.